At least 12 alleged India-backed terrorists were killed in counter-terrorism operation by Pakistani military in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. 2 soldiers were also killed in the clashes, according to the report by Dawn on Monday. The Inter-Service Public Relations ISPR stated that intelligence-led operations were conducted over the weekend targeting banned groups. Taliban Pakistan and Balochistan Liberation Front. 5 militants were killed in Lakhimarwat, while 2 more were neutralized in a separate raid in Bannu. Authorities continue to monitor the situation.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।